Let's talk about sales tax, tip, and discounts and setting them up in a proportion. This also, we call it consumer math. This is everyday life. When shopping, we use tax, which is a positive or you add, and discount, where you subtract from your total price. And at restaurants, we use tip, which adds to your price. And our server, we tip our server to tell them thanks. At a hair or nail salon, we also tip, which adds to our price to also tell them thanks. Using percent proportions, you want to set up the tax, tip, or discount on the numerator. In the denominator, you want to have the original price. And it's always equal to percent over 100. When solving a percent proportion, you want to set up your proportion. Then you want to cross multiply to set up an equation. Then you want to solve for the missing value, which is going to be your tax, tip, or discount. Am I done? No. To find the sale price of a discount, you want to subtract from the original price. To find the total price, when that's adding tax or tip in, you want to add to the original price. Let's try an example. Use a proportion to calculate sales, tax, tip, or discount. Remember, it's your part over whole equals your percent over your 100. Remember, your part over your whole is going to be your tax, tip, discount, and then the original price. So again, tip means you add to the original price. For example, dinner at Red Lobster was $65.13. If you leave a 22% tip, how much is tip and what's the total you paid? So I'm trying to find out what my tip is out of a total of $65.13 if I wanted to leave a 22% tip. Remember, the percent always goes over 100, and your tip is going to be over your total price. You want to cross multiply to get 100x equals 1,432.86. Divide by 100 and get x equals $14.33 because your 8 rounds up your 2 to a 3. So your tip is the $14.33. Your total that you paid is going to be the $65.13 plus the $14.33 to get a total of $79.46. Tax means you add to the original. So if I want to buy a $75 pair of Uggs boots with a 5% sales tax, what's the amount of tax, and what's the total price paid. So again, you want to find out the tax on the original price of $75 with a 5% tax, and that's going to be over 100. Cross multiply to get 100x equals 375. Once you have your one-step equation, go ahead and solve by dividing by 100. And you get $3.75, and that's your tax on it. Your total price is going to be the $75 plus $3.75 to give you $78.75 for a total price. Discount means you subtract from original. So if I have $55 set of headphones for 15% off, what's the amount of discount and what's the total amount you pay? So I'm trying to find out the discount of a $55 pair of headphones with a 15% off, and that's always over 100. So I want to cross multiply to get 100x equals 825. Solve your equation and you get x equals $8.25. This is your discount that you get off of the price of $55. So to find your total, you do $55 minus $8.25 to get $46.75 that you're paying for these headphones. Pause the video and try the bottom two problems. Check your answers with the ones written below.